So we are going through the battle of the greatest right now. Final round.
You need sixes, three of a kind, and a Yatzee.
Okay, that right there was terrible then. So might as well stick with the sixes, y'all. That's what we're going with. See what we gather, what we got. Uh-oh. I got 3 of them. That's a good roll. Bless me one more. All right, I could take 3. I could take 3. I'll do 3. Give me 18. That's what you had in it, yep.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Beginning the countdown.
Oh, Lord. We're a Yatzee. I need a 2. Yes.
Damn, you get lucky. That was lucky as hell right there. And ain't that some shit? Y'all seen that?
You need a 3 of a kind and a Yatzee.
Come on. What I got?
You got 2 5s.
I got 2 5s, so I need to try that.
That was terrible. But you got your 3 of a kind.
I got my 3 of a kind, though. That's all that matters. Count it up. Put it down. Mark it. Don't be a hater. Be a motivator.
I need 4s or a Yatzee.
That's what I need.
I need some 4s. You need a Yatzee.
I need a Yatzee.
Yep.
Man. I get this right with the 5. Well, you can scratch me on that one. I didn't get the Yatzee.
Okay.
See who won this one.
I get a Yatzee.
Oh my goodness. Did y'all see that? She got 4 deuces. She got 1 roll. What you get? Damn, she hit a Yatzee at the end. Did y'all see that? I had to go live. I did not think I was gonna beat me. Damn. You know what? I think making this video japed me, y'all. I think, you know what? I probably shouldn't have shared this with y'all. She just whooped my ass. Oh, God.